Thank you, Nick. What's happening? Thank you all. Help PPP. Where's that? The judge just ruled that she did, in fact, abandon the property. The last time she had any rights to the property would have been around May the 5th of 2023. The judge ruled that because she didn't have rights to the property when she broke and entered the home, that the B&E couldn't be included in the in the defamation and intentional infliction of emotional distress counts. So that part is out. There still is other things that are a matter of law, a question of law or something, that can still be talked about at trial, but the B&E cannot. I can hear swipe out and come. Yeah, if you can't hear, swipe out and come back in. Thank you, Miss Heather. Is that why she's trying to focus on DV more now? Yes. I have all the papers, but I'm not. We read them at lunch. I'm not going to read through them again. I'm just going to give you my summary. And this isn't me. I'm not misrepresenting anything. I'll tell you what. Next time she's live, ask her to read them to you. She's not going to. This is why she hasn't. With the fucking whale. Thank you. This is why she hasn't read that 11-page document. Is that happened today? What? Thank you, Travel Queen. Who is this about? Me. No, I'm just kidding. Yes, it was before. If you don't know Christina, just consider that a blessing. I'm not going to promote her. This is for like my OGs. If you don't know her, that's okay. Thank you all, Help PPP. Trust me. Thank you, Brooklyn. You don't want to know her. I'm just updating all the. I really don't want to get into. Yeah, you trust me. It's better if you don't. But yeah, so that's where we are with that. She is a joke. Yeah, so she has several lawsuits going on right now. It was a whole big thing between me and her that lasted a few years. In my opinion, it's over. It's done. I don't know why I keep talking about her because she keeps filing these crazy lawsuits. Yeah, be thankful you weren't here for that chapter. I talk about her because I talk about the open cases that she's got. I don't really talk about like her life anymore because I don't really care. But I think she still cares about me for some reason. It's kind of weird. But yeah, that's that. That's that. Again, I have the papers. I'm not gonna read it all over again. Yeah, it's kind of irrelevant now. She's the biggest stan. Yeah, we're trying to. I just don't want to. Thank you all, Help PPP. Yeah, I can do that. I can make a post on Facebook and summarize. She a fan. Hey, Shay. Thank you for that. Thank you. What's happening in 3 weeks? Someone said. I think that they're having their last settlement conference before trial. Stand for life. Period. Why does that? I don't even have no eyebrow shit on. Yeah, I'll do a kind of a summary on the papers. Post on Facebook. If you're, it was a whole big thing, Mel. It was a whole big thing. A whole big thing. She doesn't have any content without you or dishes, LOL. This is for her and Matt. The lawsuit against Warren PD, we're just waiting on the officers or the city of Warren to basically respond to her complaint. And I believe that they have until like the second week of November to respond. Copyrighted. I don't even eat hot dogs. Thanks, Oki. I got one braid out. I didn't get this one. It was a big thing. I told her she looked bad on. Yeah, I know, that's right. Will you settle, they think? No. My opinion is no. My opinion is that we'll go to trial because, thank you, Oki. My opinion is that she's already been offered the largest settlement amount that she's going to be offered. Because now that there's some counts taken out of the lawsuit, her lawsuit isn't what it was whenever the first settlement was offered. So why would the defendant offer, why would they offer to settle for more than what they first offered for when there's less in the lawsuit? You know, that doesn't make any sense to me. So I don't think that they will. She wants him to hear her clickety clack them motherfucking heels all down the court hall. Where's her millions? The first settlement offer was $25,000, and we know that because of the court website. The first he did offer, I think, $25,000, maybe just to get rid of it, in my opinion. But again, that was before there was counts thrown out. That was before a lot of it, half of it, if not more, in my opinion, from Matt, not Warren. Yes. I don't know. We don't know anything about the officers haven't even responded regarding the Warren suit. So yeah, $25K is cheaper than trial. Yeah. Not the fishnets. I'm screaming. Screaming. But yeah, let's update on that. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. I would love that too, Jeep Chick. Yeah, every genre. Sorry. These are oldies. I love them. You want me to get a fucking a spoon? We're not talking about anybody. We're just bullshitting. Get a spoon, right? What about the Uber lawsuit? I think there's a hearing next month as well, the first or second week of November, for the demur. I don't really know if I'm saying that right. Which is basically the defendant saying that she doesn't have a case, and asking the judge. Look up the word demur. Can you order me a carry? You better not, because I can't sing. I'm crashing out right now. Is it her full-time job suing people? Seems like it. Why is she suing Uber? A week after, conveniently a week after the judge ordered her to pay roughly $8,600 in attorney fees to me, a week later she was conveniently rear-ended on her first day on the job while she was doing Uber Eats. Her very first day on the job, conveniently. Take that how you will. Feeling high like super me. Her attorney has had the LLC insurance settlement check on her desk since February. I'm screaming. So very convenient. And Progressive gave her $23,000 for that. And that was in July. Sounds very sus. And we know that she's currently on temporary disability through Uber for that accident. She's suing Uber's insurance. Yeah, anyway. A whole hot mess. That money's probably, but I guess I just can't think. I'm just sitting here thinking like, damn, July, August, September, October, that's 3 months. And you're saying you're broke. That's crazy. I know, crazy. She's claiming injury and PTSD, and Brandon is claiming that they violated the ADA Act, which is American Disability Act. Thank you for that. Surviving crusty. Yeah, we all survive. We're just talking. We're not talking about anybody in particular. Well, we were talking about Christina. People were asking about the paperwork I read on my lunch break. I was just going over that. Yes. Hey, Patty. They haven't settled. I'm assuming he offered a settlement because it would have been cheaper than going to trial, in my opinion. Some people do sue for a living. And, you know, I believe that family has a habit of that. Is it cold up there? Up where? Where I'm at? It's not really. It's like medium. My thing says it's 81. I don't know if that's right. It feels about 80. Hey, Grippy Socks. It feels about 80. 80 could be right. I love a good pair of sweats. I work when they have it cold as hell where I work. I love sweatshirt weather. Yeah, that's a pretty good summer. That's pretty accurate, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty fucking accurate.
Wedding. Lord Farquaad, all the girls in the front row, all the girls at the barricade, all the girls that been waiting on.
Remember when Baby Darling showed us Brian's bag of goodies? I'm screaming.
Everybody in the suite kicking up.
I'm hoping when it cools off, everyone will stop being crazy.
I see you. And all the guys in the back waiting on the next track. Cut your boy a little slack. I'm Jack. I'm vanilla, baby. But I ain't no kid, baby. 28, telling me I'm still a baby.
And why hide Maddie like she hasn't been seen? It's so weird. Yeah, yeah, she's been seen by a lot of people, a lot of places. A lot of parking lots, you know. Yes, we can bring those back. I gotta download the app. And I'm gonna do that. Thought about that yesterday. I need to see if it's got like a reptile looking character. You know what I mean? A lot of parking lots with vacuums. Carolina, thank you. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna wind it down in a minute. I'll never be accepting these people's battles because I didn't know you. Slow cooked my first roast. Oh, that sounds good. You should do parodies again. Yeah. I'm still fighting off the last bitch I tried to parody who got butthurt about it. Butthurt over a parody I could never. I just could never. I was about to say go and take a nap. Too sensitive. The world is too sensitive. A lot of people are fucking sensitive. Fucking crybaby bullshit ass.
Hype me up. I hype me up.
It wasn't even me. I thought it was funny. I mean, you know. Lost a husband over a parody. Couldn't imagine. Couldn't imagine. The last one is a crybaby child that throws a fit and doxes people. Not everyone can handle being roasted, but I don't think I did it. Thank you all, help PPP. I mean, it is what it is. I don't. Just rock your hips. You can't tell. It wasn't below the belt mean. Yeah, it wasn't below the belt mean. It was just, I mean, she said she took a shit on someone's lawn, so I had a little piece of shit. I had a magic pickle.